How to fix AirPod case not charging. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The most common issue is the cable and not the case. So you can go ahead and try a different Lightning or USB-C cable, or you can use a different power adapter and make sure to plug it in directly into a wall socket and not a laptop. Now, you can then go ahead and clean the charging port as dust or lint can block charging. So use a toothpick and a soft brush and compress air lightly. Make sure to unplug the case before using these type of tools to clean your port. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then check the charging indicator light, as the light tells you what is wrong. If your light is green, it is fully charged. If your light is amber, it means it's charging, and if there's no light, then it means that it's not charging and there is a power issue. And if there is flashing amber light, then it might be due to error or it might need a reset. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and restart and reset your AirPods, as this will fix software glitches. So put your AirPods back into the case and close the lid for 30 seconds. Further, open the lid and then press and hold the setup button at the back for 15 seconds. The light should flash amber white, and you can then go ahead and reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then check battery health of the case, as sometimes the case battery fails. So if AirPods charge only when plugged in or the case drains instantly, then it might be that the battery may be worn out. This usually happens after 2 to 3 years. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix AirPod case not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.